welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Verlaine, and today, as you can see from the title, I am going to be doing the wet look on my hair. I'm going to try to achieve this for you guys. I've done it a lot. I have a curly textured hair, so if you don't already have a curly textured hair, or if you just want to enhance your curls in order to achieve this hairstyle and for it to look the right and correct way, you can get a texturizer and put it in your hair, and it'll even out the curls and make them, you know, more defined and easier to achieve this look. So I'm going to tell you the products that I'm going to be using in order to achieve this look. Alright guys, first we need our got to be glue for our edges at the end. You need a wig brush, just a wig brush you can get from the Dollar Tree. You need a comb, a rat tail comb to part your hair. You need clips in order to hold your hair back, the hair that you're not working with. You need your castor oil, black castor oil, in order to keep the moisture in your hair. I also use olive oil mayonnaise for my hair. I don't know if you guys can see that. My light's so bright. Sorry guys. And my Cantu natural hair product. It's the curl scratcher. Trying to make sure you guys can see it. And I use the Extreme Sport hair gel, and this is just a bottle that I have water in. You have to have the water to keep your hair moisturized when you're achieving this style. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put all these products in my hair, and I will be turned around so that you can see the back, because that's where I'm going to start at. So I'm going to let you guys watch the video and hope you learn how to do this style. right, guys. All right, guys. Here's the finished look. It came out really, really, really curly, if you can see. Did me some little baby hairs the best way I can, honey. I really can't do them baby hairs. Make sure y'all clean all of the product out your ears and off the back of your neck and stuff. I'm going to turn around and let you see how the back part looks. Well, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you're able to do this at home. Long as you have products to keep your hair moistured and water, and you have a natural texture of curly hair, or like I said, you can get a texturizer and put it in your hair and it'll enhance the curl, you'll be able to achieve this look. I added a little headband to it just to make it look cute, so it just won't be sitting up there. I didn't use a whole lot of gel to mold it down in the front because there's no cost to do that. It looks cute the way it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.
So